Are you interested in doing affiliate marketing, but you're still on the fence because you don't know how hard it is? Then this is the video for you. Because in this video, I'm going to give you the most exact answer to the question: is affiliate marketing hard? But before we get into that, I want to give you a quick reminder to take a look at the links in the description, because there I will be putting all the resources that I've named in this video, plus a lot of other resources that can help you with earning money online in the short term and in the long term. So now let's get into it. My name is Rocher from my name is Rocher and I run multiple websites. My name is Rocher and I've been an affiliate marketer since February 2018. And since that time, I have had a lot of experiences, ups and downs, and everything you can imagine when it comes to affiliate marketing. So, since I since I value your time, I'm going to give you the answer right away. Is affiliate marketing hard? No, but we often make it harder than it is. In essence, affiliate marketing could be described in four simple steps. You pick a niche, you create a headquarters, which can be a website, a YouTube channel, or a blog. You get traffic and then you monetize it by sending traffic to the affiliate links. So it's as simple as that. As I said, we often make it harder than it is. And I'm going to give you a few examples based on my experiences of why I think that is, and why a lot of people that I've known and I started with quit. So the first is the choosing of a niche. To recommend products to someone so they'll buy it, they'll need your trust. And it's easier to get trust when you are a authority or a specialist. And it's really hard to become a specialist of multiple things. This is why people choose a simple niche, which is basically an audience that's interested in one specific subject. The problem with this is, though, that a lot of people pick the wrong niches. A lot of people say there you can't pick the wrong niche, and a lot of people say it's not possible to pick the wrong niche, but I disagree a little bit with that. Yes, you can make an affiliate marketing Yes, you can make an affiliate marketing business in any niche, but that doesn't mean you're going to have as much success, and the time that you'll need to get success will differ per niche. This is why when you pick a niche, there are a few things you have to take into account. One, are you interested in the niche? Because affiliate marketing is a project. It's going to take a lot of time. So it helps if you're interested in the niche to help keep you focused. The second is how popular the niche is. If there aren't any people in that niche, there aren't any people to buy the products that you recommend, which means you can't make any money. And the third one is the competition. The more competition there is, the harder it's going to be to get eyes on your content and on your affiliate offers. And you can have the best affiliate product in the world, and it can even be the cheapest affiliate product in the world. People aren't going to buy it if they don't know it exists. So this is why you need to have a balance between these three. You need a niche that's popular enough so you can get enough sales out of it, but doesn't have that much competition that it's too hard to get through all the noise. And then as a third, you have to be interested in that topic. You don't have to be a specialist, but you need to be at least willing to learn. Most people most people pick the wrong niche and then they'll just go years without seeing any progress. And this is why a lot of people quit. They often they often just see a product and look at the commission rate and see, hey, I can make maybe $100 to $300 per sale with it, and they're like, okay, that's the niche I'm going to pick. But what good does it do to have a affiliate niche where you can make $300 per sale if nobody actually buys it? So keep in mind to look for that balance. The second reason is people don't get proper training. I don't care what all these YouTubers say about having videos that show you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. 99% of those videos leave a lot of things out that are actually necessary for affiliate marketing because it's impossible to put it all in video like that. It's just too there are a lot of little things that go beyond the X and O's of affiliate marketing in general that you still need to know and that you can either learn through experience or learning it through training. But learn but getting taught through training will save you a lot of time. I remember in my first year, I was really stubborn. I just went from YouTube video to YouTube video to YouTube video, trying to piece this all together. And then by the time I gave up and actually went for a course and looked at it, I saw a lot of stuff that I'd never seen on YouTube. Because you know what the problem is with looking at videos of YouTube? People make videos about things that people are already looking for. They're using search engine optimization to do that. So there are a lot of subjects that people don't know anything about, so they don't ask for it, and and because of that, there aren't being videos made of that. If you buy a proper course or you get a mentor, they will tell you those little things that don't seem popular to the general public because they don't know about it, but are essential for your success. So this is why I always advise you to look for a course, a mentor, or a group of people you can mastermind with that have already had success with affiliate marketing. The third point, which makes it a lot harder and why people quit, is simply patience. A lot of people don't really have the patience to stick it out. Did you know that 95% of affiliate marketers quit between 5 months and 2 years? This means if you outlast them, 95% of the people that started with you and were on the same level aren't there anymore, which means all the new people that are coming in after those 2 years, you have a 2 year head start off on. You have a 2 years head start on. I've noticed I've noticed in the beginning when I started affiliate marketing, it was really hard to rank on the first page. Most of the time, I would just end up on the 15th page for everything I did. Sure, there's the sandbox principle that was in effect, but it was also the fact that there was just too many new people trying to rank for the same keywords. After those 2 years, it became a lot easier to rank for keywords, especially if I knew which keywords to pick, which most new people don't. I also have more authority on my website because I've been link building for 2 years and all that other stuff that the new people are not doing. At that point, you only have to worry about that 5% and those authorities above you. But if you pick the right niche, you won't have that much competition that's that high above you in general, which makes it a lot easier for you to succeed. And I get it. There are a lot of videos out there of people talking about, I did affiliate marketing for 50 days, and then they have a thumbnail for earning $3,000 and all that kind of stuff. But I would I would advise you to watch some of them, because most of the time, most of those videos, they try it and they say, "Oh, it didn't work," or "I had to use paid traffic to do it," or "I wasn't getting the results that I expected." Because in act, because the truth is, an online business is just like any other business. It takes time to put it together, but once it's up and running, it's the closest thing to getting passive income. So yeah, if you keep these three things in mind, you're making affiliate marketing a lot easier for yourself, and your chances of succeeding will skyrocket. If you want to know a little bit more about realistic affiliate marketing, I'm going to put a pod. I'm in the description. I'm going to get put a podcast episode I did with a YouTuber called WP Eagle, and this if you're interested in taking a realistic look at affiliate marketing, I'm going to, in the description, I'm going to put a link to a podcast I did with Alex Cooper from WP Eagle. And he's a person that basically on YouTube documented his entire journey of making affiliate websites. And there you can see how he went from going from $0 a month to making $3,000 to $4,000 with a simple niche website. But you see how much time it takes and how realistic it is done. So if you're interested in that, take a look in the description. I will also put a lot of other resources, such as uh, a course to get proper training and a lot of other videos that can help you on your online affiliate that and a lot of other resources that can help you on your affiliate marketing journey. So, are you interested in affiliate marketing after watching this video? I would love to hear it in the comments. That's all for today. Rocher here from Radio Digital Success saying peace.